Hello, tell me, what's your name?
Han.
My name is Han. My name?
My name is Han.
Wonderful. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Good. How are you today? How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, tell me, how's the weather? How's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it rainy?
It's a sunny.
It's sunny. It's sunny.
It's sunny.
Yeah, very nice. Tell me, please, what is this animal?
It's a chicken.
Good. Where does it live?
Live on the farm.
The chicken lives on the farm. The chicken?
The chicken live on the farm.
Very good. What is this?
It's a crab.
Crab. Good. Where does it live?
Crab live on the sea.
In the sea.
In the sea.
Yeah, wonderful. What is this?
It's a crab.
Where does it live?
Crab live on the farm.
Good job. Very nice. What is this?
It's a
Shark.
shark.
Shark. Where does it live?
Shark live
In?
in the sea.
In the sea. Good job. What is this?
It's a leopard.
Good. Where does it live? Live? In the fall? Yes, good job. What is this? Skunk. Skunk. Yes, wonderful. Where does it live? In the forest. Good job. What is this? It's a fox. 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 Okay, fox. Where does it live? The fox lives in the forest. Okay. What is this?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit. Where does it live? The rabbit.
Rabbit live on the farm.
Wonderful. What is this?
It's a tiger.
Where does it live?
Tiger live
In?
in the forest.
Yes. Very nice. What's that?
It's a seal.
Where does it live?
Seal live on the sea.
In the sea.
In the sea.
Good. Can you see the seal on the farm?
No.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Good job. What is this?
It's a duck.
Dog. Where does it live?
Duck live on the farm.
Good job. What's that?
It's a net.
Snake.
Snake.
Yes, very good. Where does it live?
Live
In?
in
In?
the farm.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, tell me please, what is this?
It's a seal.
Seal. Where does it live?
Seal
Live?
live on the sea.
In the sea.
In the sea.
Very good. What about this one?
In the
Fox.
fox.
Fox. Where does it live? The fox live
Live in the forest.
in the forest. Very good. Thank you.